easy and delicious pan-fried cheese egg with green onions. Hi guys, today I will be sharing with you how to make easy pan-fried cheese egg with green onions. In a mixing bowl, crack 4 eggs, add some salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chicken powder, half a tablespoon oyster sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of water, and lastly add some green onions to your liking. Beat them up until all the ingredients are well combined, and when you see the little bubble form on the top surface like that, just set it aside. Now heat up the cooking pan and turn the stove on medium heat. Once the cooking pan is hot, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Spread the cooking oil on the pan evenly. Now just mix the egg one more time before you pour it in the cooking pan. And pour it all in. Cover the lid and continue to cook it on low heat until the bottom part turns slightly golden brown and the top surface no more watery like this. Just flip the egg to the other side. Then add some cheese to your liking. Roll it up. Once the egg is fully cooked on both sides and the cheese is melted, turn off the stove heat and it is all done. Subscribe and follow for more.